my new kitty and my other kitty playing on their new cat tree, trying to share, and the older one doesn't really like sharing too much. But thankfully, the younger one doesn't seem to notice. Pretty girl. Prudence, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Prudence, where's the baby? Come here. Are you stuck? Are you stuck in there? Hey, you gotta share. Be nice. Hey. No.